Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness, Windows 10/11 and updated GPU drivers so playback is smooth. Next, install a lightweight wallpaper player app. This is the tool that runs animated backgrounds without hogging resources. Once installed, open the app and import a sample MP4, GIF, or WebM. This verifies compatibility. You do this first to avoid format issues later, and it lets you test performance before customizing settings or adding multiple monitors. Once the app recognizes your file, configure playback for stability. Set performance mode or frame cap, choose loop and mute audio if you don't want sound, and pick scaling that keeps aspect ratio without stretching. Make sure the refresh rate matches your monitor to prevent stutter. You can assign a different wallpaper to each monitor from the same interface. This helps when monitors have different resolutions. These steps reduce CPU/GPU load and keep the wallpaper smooth while you work or game. To finish, save your wallpaper profile and enable the app to start with Windows so your animated background loads automatically. If you notice stuttering or high usage, lower playback quality, disable extra visual effects, or limit frame rate. These changes free resources while keeping motion. If problems persist, restart the app, check for updates, and make sure GPU drivers are current. This resolves most compatibility issues. One key tip: disable hardware acceleration in conflicting apps if animation
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.